Hello everybody, it's Jacob Viral. Today I'm going to be seeing how the roof does on my single 512 after doing the roof woodwork. So we'll kind of find out how it does here. So let me go ahead and turn some music on and just roll into it, see how it does. I just did the other video that y'all watched before this too on the numbers, so my voltage is going to be a little bit low, but hey, you'll get to hear it. No movement. Alright, so a short video, but I got to show y'all there is no flex on the roof on the outside. While as before, it was insane. This whole area over here was flexing. This part didn't because it was braced. Back there was braced. Back there it was flexing like crazy. But I have got the pressure contained and I didn't even do much foam. It's all mainly just wood. I used 1 can of foam. I bought 8 cans and only used 1. So exciting to see. This roof is hardly moving at all. Here, I'll turn it up one more time so y'all can see how it's doing on the roof flex inside. All right, I gotta stop before cops get called. Y'all know how bass is. But anyway, this thing is brutally loud for a single 12. I mean, you can see the whole dash flex at that ending there. But I'll leave y'all be with that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. A lot of video content to come, but solid roof. It is not moving at all. It's really solid, and I'm really happy with the results. Highly recommend anybody that wants to spend the money. So I got around $250 total in this build, and that's not including labor. And that's including the pipe, that's including the flanges, the tape, the glue, the foam, the layers of wood. I mean, everything. I mean, you could probably get it done for even less than that if you guys got contacts with somebody that's got scrap wood, used wood, or anything. But I got everything brand new and less than $250 in it. So really happy with the results, and I gained about 3/4 of a dB. Watch the results in the previous video with meter results to see that. But definitely great to see the results. No flex on the outside, less flex outside, more flex inside on the door panels in the front. So really exciting to see the results on this. Thanks for watching Jacob Viral. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.